Hi guys, Paul from Pilgrim MotorSports here, and I'm always really proud to show you a Pilgrim car, and here we got a Pilgrim Speedster. Absolutely beautiful, metallic black, cream leather, piped in black, just beautiful. If any one of you have been following us, you may have seen this car. About three and a half years ago we sold it to one of our clients who's bought 2 or 3 cars off of us. He's a constant car buyer, and as a result we had a car here, he fancied that, put it in part exchange. So that's how we've got it back in. Absolutely beautiful. So if you can have a look at it, it's metallic black as well. So when the sun gets on it, it has that real sparkle to it, as hopefully you can see on the camera. It's got these baby moon hubcaps with the chrome outside, so it really does pop, and it picks up all the chrome. So you've got this metallic black with the chrome here, chrome round there. Absolutely beautiful. Chrome handle to the front. Beautiful wing mirrors. These are correct wing mirrors as it should have on it. But you'll notice on this particular car, we have these little inserts on an A-pillar. Now this is where the electric window comes up. It's quite rare to have an electric window on these cars. In fact, we didn't build many of them with that on it. But absolutely beautiful all the way around. I'm afraid the number plate doesn't come with it. That's got to go back to our client. But it's on a normal registration number because it has been registered correctly. It says Pilgrim Speedster in the logbook, or V5 as they're now called, so you know that it's all legal to drive on the UK roads. It's been through British standard testing, but absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for a little car to have some great fun in, Volkswagen based, as I said, so this car will, doesn't cost a lot on fuel. You can run it and have a bit of fun with it. We've known this car when the first owner used it constantly to take to Europe. And it's whizzed around France and Spain and through the Alps and everything, this little car. So this car's done some fantastic journeys. And that's why it's been finished in the way it has, because someone's used it pretty much as a daily car. So this could be something that you could use as a daily. I mean, yes, when you get to winter time, it's a little bit more difficult to drive, like all soft tops are, but you could use this quite easily. But a fabulous little car in fantastic condition. If you're interested in this, we've obviously got them being built in our factory here at Pilgrim MotorSports. Come down, talk to the guys that actually build them. It comes with a manufacturer's warranty because we are the manufacturer, so you're all sorted there. You've got nothing to worry about, and you could be driving home in this absolutely beautiful car. I don't think it's going to last long, and it's certainly a great bit of fun for the future. So on a day like today, come down, take it for a test drive. You better bring your checkbook. Speak to you soon.